they'd have all these superstitions, you know, throwing salt on things, and don't mention this, don't mention that. And then if they didn't catch anything, it'd be somebody they'd seen on the way down, or something that happened through the course of the day. That was the reason they got no fish. Then if they did get a load, if they did get a good catch, it was somebody's geese good luck, or she's good luck, right? You know, that's how we got the good catch. Yeah. You wouldn't mention anything with fur on or anything like that, and or salmon. You couldn't mention salmon. That was known as the red fella. Yeah. And in fact, there was one chap here, Jackie Robertson. He threw the ropes off Lochie Horsburgh, as that woman was saying, and he went out and he come in full of mackerel, full up the mackerel he was, which was unheard of. So from that day on, that Jackie Robertson was always known as Jack the Mackerel.